Hello, second grade friends. Today is more of a review than a new lesson, so this video should be pretty short. Today is lesson 41. It is part 2 of sight words, and we are going to start on our spelling and high frequency word practice page, where we are going to spell some sight words that we should know already. So on number 1, spell the word could. Could. Could is spelled C-O-U-L-D. Could. Number 2, spell the word don't. Don't. This is a contraction for the words do not. Don't is spelled D-O-N''T. Number 3, the word is should. Should. S-H-O-U-L-D. Should. Number 4 is a compound word. The word is something. Something. It is made of the two smaller words some and thing. Something. S-O-M-E-T-H-I-N-G. Number 5 is their, like it is their job to clean their desk. It belongs to them. Their in this sentence is spelled T-H-E-I-R. Number 6 is also there. Like, please put your homework over there in the tray. A positional word. T-H-E-R-E. There. Number 7, were. Were. Were is spelled W-E-R-E. Number 8 is another contraction. This stands for will not, but the word is won't. Won't. W-O-N''T. Won't. Number 9, would. Would, as in the sentence, would you like to go get ice cream with me? Would. W-O-U-L-D. Would. And number 10 is your. Like the sentence, your homework is done correctly. Your. It belongs to you. Y-O-U-R. As a review, what should a sentence always begin with? A capital letter. And what can a sentence end with? What are the types of punctuation? Period. Question mark. Exclamation point. Echo this sentence. The bird sat in an elm tree. What kind of punctuation should be at the end of that sentence? Right, a period. It is telling something. So we are going to write, the bird sat in an elm tree. Don't forget your capital letter. The bird sat in. We use the word an because elm starts with a vowel sound. The bird sat in an elm tree. Now on the back side of this page, you are going to read and spell your high frequency words. I want you to choose 4 to write sentences. There are 4 lines. So you can choose the words that you would like, but write 4 sentences. Don't forget capital letters and punctuation marks. Okay, we're gonna put that sheet aside for now. I have some words written on my board. Let's see if you can read the words with me, okay? Ben, bush, does, full, goes, pull, push, put, says, want. These are called sight words. Sight words are words that do not follow the spelling and punctuation rules that we have been learning. Okay, so these are sight words. Let's read them through one more time, and then we are going to actually get to our worksheet. Ben, bush, does, full, goes, pull, push, put, says, want. Very good. Now, we have done this before. We are going to read the sentences and answer the questions using complete sentences. We're going to restate the question. We're not going to be brief in our answer, okay? So number 1 on the worksheet side says, Mom said, Jim, come in at 1 o'clock. When will Jim come in? At 1 o'clock. Jim will come in at 1 o'clock. Make sure that you can see my period. Jim will come in at 1 o'clock. We restate the question because it says, when will Jim come in? And we said, Jim will come in. We used most of the words from the question in our answer. Jim will come in at 1 o'clock. Let's try number 2. The butter did not melt when I put it on the shelf. What did not melt? The butter. The butter did not melt. We said did not melt in our answer. If you just write the butter on the line, sometimes we don't know what you are talking about with the butter. So we want to be specific. The butter did not melt. Number 3, John and Matt were at the park with Kim. A big bush was full of blooms. Who was with Kim? Who was with Kim? John and Matt. John and Matt were with Kim. Complete sentences. This makes a complete thought, begins with a capital letter, ends with a punctuation mark. Number 4, Jan wants to score in soccer if she gets a good kick. What does Jan hope to do if she gets a good kick? Jan will score if she gets a good kick. Jan will score if she gets a good kick. And number 5, Dad says that he does not want dinner. He is full. Why does Dad not want dinner? He is full. Dad doesn't want dinner because he is full. This one is a longer answer. Dad doesn't want dinner because he is full. So now on your homework side, you have 4 questions to answer. Make sure that you answer in complete sentences, just like we did on the front of our worksheet. Great job.